Welcome. Today you'll learn how to make carrot cake. It's easy and simple to repeat this recipe at home. So follow along this recipe and make your own homemade dessert. We'll start with 3 eggs. Add a generous pinch of salt. Add caster sugar. Add vanilla sugar or a bit of vanilla and start mixing and whisking until the mix starts whitening. Here's the desired consistency. Make sure that sugar is dissolved completely. Add melted butter. I melt it in a microwave. Mix it together with eggs and sugar. Add lemon zest and mix it in. Add lemon juice and mix it too. Next, we need to shred the carrots. We'll use a grater to get the thinnest pieces of carrots. Once done, add them to the mix and combine it. Make sure that the carrots are mixed evenly. We don't want no lumps here. Add almond powder and mix it in. Add all-purpose flour and baking powder. Mix them together until everything combines. And it should absorb all the liquids and thicken. Next, we'll need a baking mold covered with parchment paper. I have a round one. You can use any that you have. Pour the mix inside the mold. Even out the surface with a spatula or a spoon. And now bake it in the oven until it's done. Here's the final result, so colorful and flavorful. Now, remove the mold and the parchment paper. Decorate with icing sugar. Cut to pieces, serve them with whipped cream or ice cream. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe for more video recipes.